Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, join my family, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my June favorite beauty product. I'm going to create a full face makeup look of my June favorite beauty product. Okay, I did the moisturizer already, and we're gonna start with my favorite what do you call that, primer. So this is the No Pores Bam Primer Touch in Sol. I love this. This is what's look like, guys. I love this primer. They're really good, and I've been using this for a month already. I'm in love with this beauty, and I'm in love with this primer. This is what's look like. It's super cute. It's a glass packaging, and yeah, as you can see, I use it already. It has like almost a half of the bottle. So yeah, I love this primer. It's a good primer, and yeah, super nice primer. I'm gonna put it on just on here like that. When I apply it to my face, it's really soft into my face, and like give those like pinkish shiny onto my face. And yeah, I just in love with this primer. It's a very good primer. Next is this Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC Active Moisturizer Cream with honey and propolis. I love this CC cream. This is what's look like, guys. I love this. It's kind of like what do you call it? Baby cream, something like that, but super nice CC cream. And then it's very cute packaging as well. And I'm just gonna like put it on my here. I'm gonna start applying it to my face, just like that, and I start applying it to my face. I love this CC cream. It's a good CC cream, and just like put it all over my face. Oh no, the sun is down. I'm trying to catch the sunlight, like give those really natural lightning, but the sun is not out anymore. So okay, I'm just gonna blend it all over my face. It's super smooth onto my face, not really sticky. That's why I love this CC cream. See, it's not sticky at all. It's not sticky at all. You can feel like just nothing into your face. Super nice coverage as well. And yeah, this is my favorite CC cream that I discovered for a month, that I still in love. Okay, next is the concealer. It's the same brand, guys. The same brand of my favorite CC cream. This is the CC cream, and then this is the concealer. I love this brand. It's super nice brand. I'm in love with this brand. Yeah, such a very good beauty product. And yeah, this is the, I'm just gonna put all over my face, and this is really good concealer too, and very pigmented. I just put a little bit on under my eyes, and it's really good concealer. I'm just gonna start blending it. Where are you, son? I need you, because I don't use any studio light or nothing, so I'm trying to catch the sunlight, but it looks like the sunlight is gone. But anyway, hopefully my lighting is okay. You can able to see what's going on when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, this is what's look like when I already blend the concealer, my favorite concealer. Okay, done with the concealer. Now let's proceed to the loose powder. So I'm in love with this look. I love this brand again. I love this beauty product too. They call the brand is Pretty Bulgar. I love this brand. It's super nice brand of the loose powder. I'm just gonna put it all over my face, and then they have this little cute pink applicator. Comes with this pink applicator, guys. It's super cute. So I'm just gonna start applying it all over my face like that. Super nice. This is really soft and I like the color. It's pink. It has this really cute little holder and it's pink. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face like that. And yeah, I love this loose powder. This is really good loose powder, and it's super cute packaging as well. Cute packaging. And next, let's move on to the eyebrows. I have 2 shades of Pomade Eyebrows, one of my favorite eyebrows that I've been using like not even a month, like every day, even before. This is my favorite. It lasts longer and it stays to my eyebrows longer too. This is my 2 favorite eyebrow. I got 2 shades. I got black and espresso. This is my favorite eyebrows that I'm using almost every day, because I like my eyebrows stay longer and doesn't smudge or doesn't what do you call that, erase. Especially when I'm working, I like my eyebrows to stay longer. I don't like it like for accidentally I touch my eyebrows or scratch my eyebrows and then literally like gone. I don't like that. So this is what's look like the 2 shades. So this one I just got it a couple days ago because I want to try the black shades, and these I've been using this for maybe long time ago, and it's good for at least maybe let's see 6 months. It's still have it, and it's like, yeah, it's a good eyebrow gel. Okay, for today's video I'm gonna use the black color. This is what I'm gonna use for today's video, and I can see it's too dark already. I'm in front of the window and there's no sun anymore, so I don't know if I can see how I do my eyebrows, but let's do it. Alright everyone, done with my right eyebrows. I'm just gonna do my left eyebrows off the camera and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, done with the eyebrows, and I just put one color of eyeshadow on my eyelid. This is the like orange color, just to make my eyes pop up. And let's move on to my favorite eyeliner. I have two favorite eyeliner. One of them, the NYX Liquid Eyeliner, that which is I cannot find it. Where are you? Alright, I found it. So this is my favorite wing liner. My favorite, like my best wing liner all the time. And also have another favorite that I've been using it for like a month already, that I in love. The applicator is so nice. I like how the applicator is like super thin. It's, you know me guys, I like I love wing line. I like liquid eyeliner, especially the applicator is super thick. It's super thin. I love those kind of wing liner, or why I'm saying wing liner. I love those kind of liquid eyeliner. The applicator is super thin because it's easier for me to apply my wing liner, super nice and smooth. And I discovered this sugar wing liner. This is what's look like, guys, when you open it. This is look like the applicator. See, super thin applicator. And yeah, I love this wing liner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play with my wing liner. And yeah. Alright everyone, that's what it look like when I apply it. I like how I do my wing liner with super thin applicator. Okay, done with the liquid eyeliner. Next is this Ofra Bronzer. Love this bronzer, so I use it to contour my face. This is what's look like this. The color, and this is what's look like on the back. Ofra Bronzer. So what I do, I just like put it all over my face because I don't know how to do contour. Just using this brush and kind of like put it there. You can see like the color already, guys. You can see those like bronze, like shimmery. Sometimes I use it like a blush. It's like give those really natural cheek looks. Maybe I'm just gonna use it like a brush for today. See there. And yeah, I'm just gonna, what I do is just gonna put it all over my cheeks like that, and also here too. A little bit color on my chin, and also on my forehead too, like that. Seriously, this is a really good bronzer though. So when I feel like I don't need a blush, this is I use all the time. Like very simple, give those very natural look in your cheeks. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like put it all over my face like that. Also on my nose too. I don't know how to contour. See the difference, guys? I like how it like glow like brown on my cheeks, and here too. I really don't know how to contour, guys. I'm just gonna do this like a blush like that. So see, it's really cute. Give those shape in your face. And yeah, done with the bronzer. So I'm just gonna use it as a blush for today's video. And yeah, see, I love those bronzer. Give those like brown, very natural look on my cheeks. And next is, what else I forgot? Oh, mascara. One of my favorite mascara. I mentioned it already. My last favorite, I think May favorite, something like that. These are one of my favorite mascara, L'Oreal. This is what's look like, guys, and again, super cute. You can tell it. This mascara give my lashes so thick and long. That's why I love this mascara. I'm gonna show you later how my lashes changed for this mascara. Really nice mascara. Okay, let's apply mascara, guys. I'm gonna show you what's the difference of no mascara with mascara on. My battery is about to die. I don't have an extra battery for this new camera that I bought. By the way, guys, I'm using the Sony ZV-1 for doing makeup sit down video. We'll see. I don't know how it's gonna look like because I haven't see the videos yet. Okay, I'm just gonna apply for my left eyes, and I'm gonna show you the difference with no mascara and with mascara on. Okay, next is, this is the last one. Again, I mentioned it already for my month favorite. I don't remember what month is it. I think May or April. It's still my favorite lipstick because I love this lipstick. Every time I use this one, it gives my lips like super soft. It's not crack my lips at all. It doesn't dry my lips at all. It feels like it give moisturize my lips. So this is the Remiel lipstick. Guys, this is what's look like. I think I have 5 shades. I don't see I don't know where the other lipstick, but yeah, I have this, my favorite lipstick all the time, Remiel, and it's super cheap. It's not bad for maybe like $3 or something, but I don't remember which one my favorite, but color. But yeah, this is super nice lipstick. This is what's look like, guys. Super nice lipstick. I use it all the time. And yeah, let's apply it to our lips. Alright, everyone, done with lipstick. I love this lipstick, and I love the color of this lipstick. I don't know what shade is this one. It's hard to tell. Okay, I found it. It says 810 Plum. This is Snow, the shades. This is the shade, guys. Those are my favorite lipstick. I'm in love with this lipstick. It's really good lipstick. From Remiel. Super nice lipstick. Trust me, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this lipstick super soft into your lips. It doesn't dry your lips or smudge your or crack your lips, and it stay long, the lipstick. So yeah. Alright, everyone, that's it for my June beauty favorite. I love all the product that I use for this makeup look. This is my favorite for month of June. I keep using it even now. I'm still in love with this beauty product. Yeah, I'm still gonna use this Remiel, and of course the primer. This is really good primer. Really good primer, guys. And also the mascara. My favorite mascara from L'Oreal. Super nice mascara. And also this NYX eyebrow pomade, one of my favorite too. And this is what's look like the box, guys. There. And also these two concealer and CC cream. They're the same brand. Very good brand, guys. If you want to check it out, go ahead. Super highly recommended CC cream and concealer. Super nice beauty product. Amazing beauty product. And yeah, I think that's it for my June favorite beauty product. Alright everyone, that's it for my June beauty favorite. And yeah, I love this product. I am love all of this product that I use for this makeup look. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Why not? It's free. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.